If you're a tech lover who wants the best bang for your buck, you need to check out the Pixel 7a. It's got the features that matter, minus the sticker shock. For around $479, the Pixel 7a brings you a seriously impressive camera, powered by Google's legendary AI image processing. Your photos will look crisp and vibrant, day or night. Plus, you get a clean, pure Android experience with guaranteed updates for 5 years. That means your phone stays fresh and secure for way longer than most. The bright 90Hz OLED display makes everything look smooth. And the Tensor G2 chip keeps everything running fast, whether you're gaming or multitasking. Now heads up, storage is limited to 128 GB, and there's no SD card slot. Charging isn't blazing fast either, topping out at 18 watts. But if you want a phone that nails the essentials, camera, software, longevity, the Pixel 7a is unbeatable for the price. This is the smart choice for tech shoppers who want more for less.